So if I am talking about that these gas hydrates are this much into this part of world in the India, and if I talk about so what are the challenges generally we are facing? So it is, and I said that extraction is major challenge. As I said that major challenge. Extraction is the major challenge. Understood? And then generally we need cracking. हमें क्या चाहिए? One, we have to what? Cracking. हमें crack करना होगा. Ice crystal को crack करना होगा. Then we have to remove it. And then we need, I said that technology. I said that technology is the major. Another challenge is for India. I said that technology. Understood? Technology is the major challenge, and thereafter we can be able to better form में we can extract, and therefore we need collaboration with developed countries. We need what? Collaboration with we need extraction is a major challenge, and that is the process. I said that we need to crack it. Technology, collaboration with the developed country, and then sharing. Yes or not? We have to also, there is a royalty to be given to the other countries who is giving their technological help. So another problem is, I said that royalty. Understood? So these are the challenge we have seen. The next challenge is, I said that it can cause leakage. Yes, and leakage से क्या हो सकता है? You know that pollution. Yes or not? Leakage can cause pollution. और पानी में से निकलकर gas is very lighter one, and then atmosphere it will be. So leakage can be there, and it can lead to pollution. यदि टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छे से नहीं यूज किया हमने, then it can also causes what is a leakage of this methane gas. So these are the some major challenges we have been able to see related to what I said, that gas hydrates. Next one you will be able to see what is the positive. I said that. So dependency on, I said that crude oil and natural gas will decrease to 90%. How much it will decrease? Because I have said that this 1900 million cubic meter of gas hydrate is in a very large amount, and our dependency 90 to 95% it will reduce on which one I said that? Crude oil and natural gas. Understood? Second, compared to the petroleum and compared to the coal, it is a less greenhouse gas producing. Understood? Very less, क्योंकि मीथेन गैस में कार्बन परसेंटेज बहुत कम है. Yes or not? So in the other petroleum it is a carbon percentage is more. So there is a more, and then compared to I said that coal and petroleum, it is less producing greenhouse gas. It is less producing greenhouse gas compared to coal and petroleum. It is less producing greenhouse gas. So it is for the future, it is a better one. These are the things that we have seen about the gas hydrates. Understood? Now we have to see the petroleum reserve, and in which region we have a petroleum reserve? that is on the western. I said that in the western region, in the eastern region, in the western coast and in the eastern coast. Understood? 4 regions are there. Western region, eastern region and middle section में क्या है? There is some other kind of rock system and then changes it has been developed और ये reserve क्या हो गया है? बहुत नीचे जा चुका है. Understood it? So we have reserve in the Gujarat and in the Assam. Western region for Gujarat, eastern region Assam, western coast and eastern coast. So these are the 4 regions are there for what? Oil fields. So oil field has been divided into I said western region and it is I said that Gujarat and Rajasthan you can say. Eastern region I said that Assam. Then I said western coast and another I said that eastern coast. These are the 4 regions. I said that we have what? We have oil fields in India. Understood? Shall I remove? And now we are going to see in the western region that I am talking about Gujarat. In the western region.